First, we're gonna make sure the recipe of Soboro Bento ingredients. Boiled field peas garnish. Proper quantity of field peas and a pinch of salt. Chicken Soboro. 400 grams of minced chicken. 4 tablespoonfuls of soy sauce. 3 tablespoonfuls of mirin. 2 tablespoonfuls of sugar. Egg Soboro. 5 eggs. Half tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoonful of mirin, 2 tablespoonfuls of sugar. Japanese nimono, 1 cup of dashi, 2 teaspoonfuls of soy sauce, 1 teaspoonful of salt, 2 tablespoonfuls of sugar, 1 potato, and 200 grams of konnyaku. You carry rice as much as you want. You carry as much as you want. First, put field peas into boiled water and add a pinch of salt. You have to boil it around 3 minutes. These are for garnish to put on top of rice to divide space in half between chicken Soboro and egg Soboro. Prepare 5 eggs in the bowl and add sugar and mirin and soy sauce. And then beat eggs and mix it together to some extent. If you know how to cook scrambled egg, there's no need to explain how to cook this. It's more like scrambled egg, but you have to sizzle it to well done. The moisture of the egg has to be evaporated to some extent in the process of scrambling on the pan. After that, we're gonna make chicken Soboro. As you can see, this is almost the same cooking method of scrambled egg. Prepare minced chicken in the bowl and add soy sauce, mirin, and sake. And mix it together before heating it up. After that, scramble it over the fire until the color of meat turns into light brown and the meat juice evaporates. After that, we're gonna make nimono, which is Japanese style simmered dish. I'm sorry, but I just forgot to film this part of cooking, so I'm gonna introduce you how to cook this with audio. First, cut potato into 8 pieces and cut konnyaku into rectangular slices. Next, prepare boiled water into the pot and add dashi, soy sauce, salt and sugar and stir it for a couple minutes. And then add potato and konnyaku and cook this until pieces of potato soften up. And ukari rice is very easy. Just sprinkle ukari on top of rice and mix it together very well. That's it. Alright, dish up. Need to leave some small space in the end of box for some garnishes, so I put divide into a place of 1/4 box. Put rice into box fluffy and put filled peas on the top center of rice. On one side and half, spread Soboro egg over the rice, and on the other side, spread chicken Soboro over the rice. This teriyaki chicken is leftover of yesterday's dinner. and garnishes have to be put into the left space. This time I prepared Japanese style sakura pickles for garnish. That's my favorite in addition to nimono. It is now complete. This time I used a Japanese traditional wappa bento. Wappa lunchbox was invented by a woodcutter for their own use in the Edo era about a few hundred years ago around Akita area, northern part of Honshu. They made it from thin boards of sugi, Japanese cedar, most popular tree used for houses. Because of the unique aroma of the tree, the simple design, the lunchbox had become so popular in Japan. This has unique features. One is that this will absorb extra water released from packed foods, which keeps foods from being damaged and keeps fresh. Two is that this smells very good rich cedar flavor that makes food much tastier. However, the sealing property of this box is very poor, so I think this is not suitable for taking out for a picnic. So I recommend you to have this one as one tool to enjoy cooking at home.